We're here at the TruAudio, Alta, and VSSL booth, and they got some cool stuff, so let's check it out. Hey guys, this is the TruAudio trimmer. It's an in-wall sub. It's perfect for a bedroom, a living room, a family room, where you want to have that good sound and you don't want to have an in-room sub that takes up floor space. And the great thing about this, a lot of people don't understand, is that when you have a subwoofer, it takes the stress off of your existing speakers because it handles the bass. So all that power can go to your speakers to give you clear audio and clear dialogue. And so it really helps you have a better system and to have that clarity you want. Now, if only we had something great like a soundbar to pair it with. Hey, look, a soundbar. So this is TruAudio's new soundbar. Like their old soundbar that it replaces, it's a great sounding soundbar, but it uses a different speaker technology, which gives you better off-axis sweet spot for the sound. What that means is, in a traditional home theater, you kind of set up, hey, here's my best seat in the house, but you know that as you move away from that seat, the sound's not quite as good. This means that as you're sitting off to the sides, you're still really gonna hear those voices coming out of the center channel. That's a really big deal for a lot of people. The other thing that's cool about this, we like cool toys. Check out this mounting system. So I can move this out from the wall and lock it into place so that I can set the depth I want, or if it's not quite level, I can lock it in any position I want and adjust it that easily. So it makes installing this soundbar, making it flush and level with the TV. It can look as good as it sounds. This guy's gonna go into a lot of homes. These are the TruAudio Select Series. Brad, who's my brother and our designer, said these are some of his favorite speakers because they look as good as they sound. They look incredible, and they gave him goosebumps. They really are nice. These are the new outdoor patio speakers. Both Brad and I got a chance to demo these the other day, and I just gotta say that they've upped their game. These were as good a sounding patio speakers as I've heard in a while. It was a really good experience. And it's got a new quick release. I can't show it to you because they secured it for the show, but there's a quick release that allows me to adjust and install it, adjust the angle super fast. Another cool feature, they've had these for a while, but this is their Hardscape Subs. Most outdoor audio systems where you have these speakers, you have to do a burial type sub, and nobody wants to dig a 3-foot hole to put a sub in. So we've installed these in some cool places, like next to a pool, on a deck. It lets you put a subwoofer in a place outdoors so you might not be able to otherwise, and it makes the install a little easier. So we're big fans of these. Okay, new to VSSL is the VSSL Soundbar. It features ARC, which means we can plug it into the TV. Anything else plugged into the TV, like a video game console or the Apple TV, is gonna play through here. Makes it easy to use your existing remotes, and it just has a cool volume control. I can do that all day. The other thing that's cool about the new VSSL soundbar we're excited about is you can pair it with a wireless sub, multiple wireless subs, and you can also pair it with multiple surround speakers. So very easily you can do a wireless surround setup in your home that's high-grade audio in a system in a place that hasn't been pre-wired for a surround sound system. So this is Alta Networks. They've got access points, they've got switches, and it's a high-quality networking system. But I'm super excited about this product because when we're doing installs for a customer, there's certain features that we need that require us to buy an enterprise or corporate-grade network system, and it often is expensive. Sometimes $1,000 for an access point, and customers don't want to spend that. So then we put in an inferior network, and they have problems with it. The other option is we can use something like Eero that's kind of that middle ground that kind of works, but it's missing those features, or we can use Ubiquiti, which is great. It's affordable, it's super hard to configure, there's a big learning curve, and there's not the best support. They've gotten better, but even the people that worked at Ubiquiti felt like we could do something better. So this is where Alta came in. Some of the best minds who made the latest Ubiquiti products, but were frustrated that they couldn't make it the way it needed to be done, have joined up with our friends here to create Alta Networks. So this product gives us all those features that I need as an integrator to give a customer a rock solid network, but it's priced like an Eero or a Ubiquiti. It's super affordable, so it makes sense to any customer. And it's a company that I've known and trusted for years and years and years. And I know they're gonna take care of their customers, I know they're gonna take care of us, and they're gonna take care of our customers. So this is why this is a product I'm pretty passionate about and super excited to see where they go in the future. Not much.
I think you might be right. I'm thinking maybe I'm way past the